Ooh, I was shrimping and I just cracked my back.
Oh. Everybody check your posture. No shrimps allowed. Nice title. Restaurant
Okay.
name.
Yeah, okay. Smiley face. I did it right. I'm so smart.
I'm proud
I
of you.
guessed right. Hey, they actually want on their table. Just the thought.
Hey,
Oh, the rice is dead to me.
that's an issue. Oh my god. Okay, the rice is also dead to me, so that's really an issue. Okay, I can scooch on top of it. And I help. Oh my god, please. Stop. Stop doing that. Me. It goes so much faster when you help. You wouldn't even believe it.
Hmm.
I'm scared.
Mom, I'm scared.
Plates. You want wellies?
I do want willies. I do. You're so cute.
There you are. You are cute too.
And so you.
It's okay, I'll just jiggle the ice cream for the rest of my
Oh,
days.
I can throw it out.
Yeah, you're busy.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
That's the wrong thing.
Oh,
Now
hey.
they want it.
Yeah. Well, you took it away. Of course they want it now. I made the wrong thing. I just straight up thought they wanted that.
I love my willies. Mess, who cares? I don't. Look at me, I'm playing a mess.
Christy's getting the mess
Look at me,
everywhere.
I'm
Oh
playing
god. Oh god, get away from me. Okay. Anyways.
Look at this.
Ooh.
For me?
For you. Let's get another hop.
Yeah.
No sink. Oh, yes, sink.
Yes,
I bought
Sink,
it.
you already bought it. Silly.
I'm very silly, it's true. Wanna help skim?
Yeah. I should threaten it
Nope.
with my knife.
Right, that always works. Except for when
Cats.
he doesn't. Cats are just pushing you. No need to cring. Hey. Look at my mods calling bingos. I'm so proud of them.
Good job, mods. My bingo didn't restart.
That's okay. I think I added Ming as a mod. Or at the very least a
Hold
bingo
on,
mod.
don't ignore that.
I can't remember. Oh, can you... Okay.
My bamboo!
What bamboo?
Oh, sorry, my bamba!
I don't even know what bamboo is. I'm so sorry. Fell asleep for
Like,
2 hours to catch
every
up.
table wanted bamba? Almost every table?
I like half of them. Wasn't too bad.
That's all the
Except...
bamba.
Okay. It's 2 whole pots of bamboo.
So much bamba.
It really is.
Yeah, I got to miss that side. It's Koan.
It's
Big
good.
clump of knobs. It has the juice.
It's glubby.
It has the juice. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
It does.
Why are you
We
the
should
worst
buy-
table?
Yeah, we serve tables.
A gift for
Aw.
you.
It is. I'm
And a
happy.
portioner for bin space. Yeah, for bin space. Hey, bin space. Hey, bin space.
Mhm.
Close enough.
Okay.
Here's that for you. You want 2 or 1?
2.
There you go.
Ah!
Oh. I know I don't need to clean the mess, but like, I'm doing it anyway. Another... I grabbed the wrong thing again.
Another, yeah.
You don't even need my help anymore.
Nope, not with washing. I need a corn though. I need.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
that's gross.
I'm so happy you got that knife.
Same. Come back again. Have a
Oh,
good
never,
lurk,
never.
Tampa.
Okay, lurky lurk.
Huh.
So I'm gonna need a place for that.
Huh.
I guess over here. I kind of want a regular hub
Yeah.
for something. Ah, a
I
place.
love a danger, like a fire. Just fire. Ooh, thank God. Give me this right
Ooh.
now.
And we can have this for later. I'm actually gonna start with this in the back.
So confused. Here's your other thing for...
Thanks. I'll give you the mash to chop, I guess. Somehow there's a miss.
Hey, can you take that? Thanks.
Yeah. I just need a second to process that there is mash on the hob. So glad I could just willy-nilly serve
Yeah.
side. I think that was a good choice.
Everyone wants doubles.
I
That's wrong.
know.
Okay.
I gasped for a reason. Oh,
Hitting them portions the potatoes. I wasn't even. I was.
yes. Yeah, because it's on the table. Good things. I just realized I never extended that.
Hi, Lucy.
Okay.
That's for you.
Thank you.
I don't know how to grab things.
It's
You need a
okay. I don't care.
corn.
I do.
That's gross. Why would they want that?
I don't know. Sorry.
Oh, good. No, take this yet.
The song told me to run for my life. It's a good idea.
Okay, we should call.
I did call some, to be fair.
But there's no homies.
Well, I seem to be building up outside. Oh my god.
Oh, are you good?
No.
Are you good?
No.
You're back. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
No, I was so sad.
I was like, you're lagging.
They want it. That's the wrong person.
Yeah. Oh, thank God that's a side, a middle table.
Yeah. Money.
Yeah.
Got one extra coin.
Let's go.
We're rich.
Oh, I can't threaten them anymore.
Aw, yeah. Because I cut it off. I cut you off from your threatening.
Can't believe this.
You thought it was me? No.
Fire. No fire.
Yeah, that sucks. You're gonna need another place to cook it. Maybe.
Yeah, I get that one because you only need it for one
Yeah.
more the day. Yeah.
We already.
Cabinet.
Yeah. Grabber. Mixer. Fire.
Buy expensive for 3.
No.
Ooh, freezer! You're so good.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it
Ah!
accessible. Oh, let's not research the metal. Crazy idea.
Crazy. Get rid of this stupid.
Hey, I didn't. What?
I need the onions. At least it was the beginning of the day.
You could have reached them.
You're right. Just so far away.
It's one onion.
It's so far away. Listen, I didn't realize I could reach them, okay?
Yeah. I realize you realize you couldn't reach it. Okay, at least this is the last day of science, so we shouldn't have to
Oh,
worry
I
about
forgot I had to give you that.
It's okay.
Everyone's
so
going to
cook.
want carrot soup.
Yeah. It's not great. Hey.
There's your mash.
People. It's fine, but I'm not happy. One day I'll be able to pick up.
Oh.
You want bad stuff.
Why'd they do this to me?
Okay. Please. Please.
Today we can put in a hop, surely copium.
Yeah, we'll put in a hop for sure.
Y'all need to stop. My soup.
And we're not gonna forget to save it.
Nope.
Because we would never.
Never do that. So sorry.
I didn't expect you to run away after you picked up the rice.
Debated.
Christy's tricking me again.
Oh, Brent.
Oh no. Well, we have a portioner.
True, you too, actually.
Yeah.
I didn't say Siri.
Oh, Siri, please.
Hey, and the portioner.
3 cabinets.
Where is the stuff going? I don't need this anymore. Get out of my face.
I don't need. I kind of. Yeah, I'll have soup there. I don't need flour. Hello. I don't know how that got down there.
I just put it somewhere.
Fair enough. Another grabber. You can never have too many. Okay. Surely we'll go to danger. Just don't forget bread. Okay. Yeah. I know. Research takes so long. Okay, now we can finish at the end. Or now.
I had nothing better to do.
True. Oh god, Christy.
That's so much bread. It's almost my entire loaf.
I'm just gonna put rice in.
Okay.
Sorry, I'll come collect it. Collect the stir fry. At least you have wellies, so you don't even need my splash.
Yay, wellies. I think I want to buy both of those, and then we can research another one.
Both of what?
The danger hops.
Okay, yeah, fair enough. We can use one for stir fry. We still need workstations, but we're getting freezers, so. Hi, I have rice in my hand.
Hi.
That's just gonna go in there for now.
Okay.
Soup.
My soup. Oh, that's the last of the soup. Okay. Oh! I did not see how cooked that was. I just grabbed it.
I didn't see you in your glory. I forgot to move the ice cream far away. So far. So far.
Oh, well, we're prepared.
We are.
Is there a hop to research? There is, okay.
The mandarins. I can't do that. I can't do that either.
Oh, do you want
do
do you want a
that.
thing for the thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought of that
Do
and
we
then I
want to
just.
upgrade that again or no?
No, it's not worth the space.
I meant, do we want
My
to
ice
copy
cream.
this? What I meant.
I think research it.
Okay. Oh yeah, I do need a thingy.
Yeah.
It can. Hi, Jess. Good morning.
Hi, Miss.
Okay. Have fun taking kid out of school.
Oh,
Right?
help.
That's so
We
many
have another
months.
portioner.
Oh, why didn't we? Yeah.
Because I didn't see it.
Heck. I even said we have a portioner.
You did?
Yeah. I did. Run back the tape. Fine, tomorrow we can beat it. And you got another danger hop? Oh, you're so good at this game.
Yep.
I almost asked which soup. We have one soup.
You're doing great.
Gotta sneeze.
No.
I did it. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I picked up at all, but I did it.
It did, but that's
Oh,
fine.
Okay. Oh no, I'm human and I have to sneeze sometimes. How
Yeah.
dare I?
Oh no.
No.
You know how often I sneeze. It's bad. It's on bingo.
I stole it. Huh.
Hello?
Huh.
Okay, done with soup.
Imagine sneezing. Yeah, Lissy, you would never.
Yeah. Who sneezes anymore?
Help.
No.
Believe in you. You got this. You did it. I'm
Yeah.
proud of you.
Okay, I think we could just buy those dangers.
Yeah.
We do have a grabber mixer.
True. We do.
Okay, well you set that up. I'm gonna set my thing up.
Want that for pies, or do I want it for flour? Or pumpkin or flour? Maybe pumpkin. Then you still need
Can you pass me the tray stand in the beginning?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on my mandarins.
Pampa, stop. I think I want it for that would make my life a little easy.
Do we need anything else?
It was pies, right?
Yes, pies.
Okay. Another portion?
What am I rolling for? I guess Buffy's. That would be nice.
I wanted it.
You have the phone.
I do! How did it get back here?
Because I moved it.
Okay. Thanks. I can
You also have the soup.
Oh, here you go. Merry Christmas.
Thanks. I'm so slow. Hi.
And now that I have dangers, if you rice them, it's fine. It cooks fast enough to... Okay, someone finally wants the floor. I should take the seeds out so it's chops.
No dying is the only rule.
Okay, no promises, but I'll try.
I need the bread now. Okay, what does everybody want?
Surely ice cream. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
I'm gonna be honest, I forgot we got another thing just now. The thing that shall not be named.
Yeah. And I'm helping.
You are. That's the thing with stir fries. Like, okay, done with soup. Oh, one day one of us will get it in.
You wanna swap the breads?
Yeah, I'll just...
Minus one loaf.
Oh.
Minus one slice. Got this. Aww.
No, I don't. But it's okay. We don't really
Where
need
is
it.
that going?
Oh, I don't have space for that one, honey.
Do
well,
I do those?
We're done with research.
Oh, okay.
Also, I don't know why I said honey. I can use this back one. Pass me the tray stand. And my scrubby. I'm very needy.
Do you want this?
Oh, right. I need to chop it.
Do I take ice cream?
I can... No, it's fine. I just need this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. God, there's so much crap in our restaurant.
Hey,
Forever
hey,
and always.
hey, I need that.
Okay. Surely we can reach everything. Okay. I'm gonna wait for that to finish and then... Okay, you have the phone.
Suppose I don't really need the thingy anymore. I'll get your soup in a second. Hold on. I don't have that much mess now that I have danger.
Yeah. And if you really need it, you can do my scrubby.
Washing.
That is definitely the right sink.
I know. Hey, where are all
I
the
put that in the
homies?
correct place. I don't know. Da-da-da. I feel like I should... Nah, it's fine. Because you have the knife, so the workstation will be better for you. For the pumpkin. but it's fine.
I mean, you can have the freezer tomorrow.
Ooh.
Yeah, the mixture tomorrow.
I know what you meant. I need bread.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, I'll take it in a second. You want the bread? Please.
Stop it.
Okay, do this, do that. Hi, I stole your...
Can't believe you would steal my walk. But I was so prepared.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
This can just go right there.
we can throw this out. It's fine. Actually, we should keep that in for now. I just want Buffy's. Do you wanna mix back?
Honestly, no. It's fine. I have the knife. Microwave. Is that useful? Not really.
I don't think so. I think we're good. I mean, it's useful, but only if you have the space. One day we'll get a Buffy. I guess no, because there's so many hobs. I need a bunch of floor protectors.
Oh, I need to
You have
call.
yeah.
Oh.
You. What is wrong with you people? I mean, there's a lot of
Can
things
you
wrong with you guys.
grab it?
Yeah. Okay, put that away, that away.
Oh. Why are y'all being
You're stinky people.
Got it.
She beat me.
Most advantage.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot we got cheese boards. That's the wrong table.
I want ice cream still.
Just, yeah. Just trying to get that walk out of your hand. Okay, wrong table, but it's okay. That was soupy. Uh, of course. Hey, they won it. Let's work for Christy.
Aw, yeah.
You want to just do that?
I can fit here, right?
I'd take shoesies if I could, game. No Buffy. You have the phone, right?
I said
I don't have
20,
a single
20
empty.
million things to
Actually, I could move back the
take.
Mandarin's one. Give and take the phone away.
That.
Yeah. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll move the Mandarin's back one. Did not realize. Ooh, we should pull that other tray stand out for the soups, huh?
Oh, yeah. Huh.
Huh. That's so curious.
That's bread. Here, grab one.
Grab and go.
What soup is this?
Meat.
Stop making mess.
Yeah, Hobbs.
Okay,
Okay, they
well,
only want half bad things.
oh.
No. They want 100% bad things. I'm with the soup.
Exactly, Ray, exactly.
I thought they were on stir fry. Turns out they wanted a pie.
Money.
Carrot soup, which we need. Okay, now we're done with soups.
Do have two.
I remember it this time. Broccoli. Oh boy. I hope you wanted to make infinite pies.
Yeah, how'd you know? That's bread.
I'm bread. I do follow a person called Call Me Bread, so.
It's fine.
Yep, definitely.
Hey, tray stand. Good. Poster bin. I think I'm fine.
So I'll pull the phone out, and then I'll give you the. Yeah, we don't. Okay. One rules for Buffy. Please. Please. No.
No,
We're
you
never
don't
getting
deserve nice things.
Okay. I understand. I'll still wait to call a little.
I don't know how trays work.
It's okay. I don't either.
Portion or what for? Oh.
It's fine. I can portion it by hand.
Okay, yeah, we have like 3 soups. It's not like...
Yeah. The portioner.
Guess you don't need this
can you
then.
take this? Yeah. Whoopsies. I'll keep this one on the table, I guess. Get it. The portioner. Oh, right. Of course.
Right, you do have a color redeem.
Hi, hey, you're looking really cool up there with your bed. Just thought I'd point that out.
And I am pretty cool.
Okay, I need meat soup. And then I'm gonna need bread maybe soon. Please. I'll grab the bread, I swear. Eventually. Ew, can you help me? Okay,
Huh. Huh.
I guess I'll save the last soup instead of the bread.
No, it's fine. You can save the. It's safe for 14.
Okay. Yeah. I'll just... You grab the thing and I'll turn the portioner around. The food, whatever we got.
I got you.
You know what I mean by the thing.
Oh
No,
no!
I knew it. I knew it in my heart, in my head. Oh, we do need this. Let's... What is that in your hand? Flour?
Flour. I can't fit there, can I?
Maybe?
I'm skinny!
Oh, you're so skinny. I think, like, yeah, I was like, I think
I'm
it can.
skinny!
Okay.
This is stupid.
This is so stupid.
I shouldn't be skinny.
So skinny.
This is such a struggle bus. I need another soup. What soup do I need?
You need a carrot, and then I need a tray stand.
Okay, hold on. I'm working on it.
I know.
Just
You're doing great.
squeeze my butt through here. Okay, one more time. Hold on. There we go.
Okay.
This is stupid. I was like, wait, can I sit there? Tell me to throw that out for you.
Yeah, that would be
Okay.
great. Okay. Oh, that's a plate.
This game is great.
Mm-hmm.
Would love a portioner, but it's fine. I don't deserve nice things.
Duh. Game. Oh, they all want it. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's fine. Let me just make some.
Okay, I'll call the people. It's pumpkin soup, by the way. I don't know why there's a clean plate on this table, but you know. Sometimes things happen.
Yeah, if I had a portioner, my life would be so much nicer, but it's fine.
Yeah. But I stole all of the portioners.
Yeah.
Also, it's just like then we have to fit it in, so.
Like juggle one of those. Don't take the carrot yet.
Yeah, I want it.
I should have two going, but I think I would mess me up.
Okay, I need carrot broccoli. I tried to grab it, I swear.
Need a cheat.
Okay, you get inside. You... I missed. Hi.
Hi.
So many
Honestly,
things on
only
the table.
one day with additional stir fry, kind of insane.
Oh yeah, no steak, no mushroom. The
40
steak would have been fine.
Yeah, steak would have been fine, but 44.10. I think I would have rather do steak, but it's fine. Mushroom maybe wasn't that bad. 44.10.
Yeah. Nice. That's a PB for us, I think. 44 is pretty good.
That's decent.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I know the record last patch was like stupid fast. It was like 38 or something.
Your screenshot.
Yeah.